The people you help the most are often the ones who are not there when you need help. You run for everyone. You say yes to everyone. But when you feel tired or lonely, nobody comes. This story is for you. Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In a quiet town in Minnesota, there lived a man named Liam Sanders. Everyone liked Liam. Everyone trusted him. If someone's car stopped working, they called Liam. If someone needed to move furniture, they called Liam. If someone felt sad or alone, they called Liam. And Liam always said yes. He believed that helping everyone made him a good person. But slowly, his own life was falling apart. His garage project was not finished. His sink was leaking. His bills were late. His mother, who lived with him, needed more attention. But still, Liam kept helping everyone else. One cold evening, Liam came home tired after helping 3 neighbors. When he entered the house, he saw his mother sitting at the table, breathing heavily. "Mom, why didn't you call me?" Liam asked. She gave a weak smile. "You were always busy helping everyone, Liam. I didn't want to bother you." Those words broke Liam's heart. He was helping the whole world, but he was not helping the person who needed him most. That night, Liam could not sleep. He drove to a small lake nearby where Mr. Hall, an old Navy officer, liked to sit every evening. Liam sat beside him. "Mr. Hall, I feel empty," he said softly. "I help everyone. I try to be kind. But inside, I feel tired and invisible." Mr. Hall pointed to a kayak on the water. "See that kayak on the water?" he said. "It stays strong in water because water only touches the outside. If water goes inside, even a little, it will sink." He looked into Liam's eyes. "You are sinking, Liam. Not because you are weak, but because you let too many people enter your life without limits." Liam felt something change inside him. "Listen, son," Mr. Hall said. "When someone asks for something, don't answer fast. Stop. Think. Ask yourself, will this help me or will this drain me? If it drains you, say no." The next morning, Liam tried to follow the advice. His coworker Jenna called him. "Liam, my printer stopped working. Can you come fix it?" Liam looked at his mother, who needed breakfast. For the first time, he took a deep breath and said, "Jenna, I can't come. I have things to do at home." She was surprised. "You're saying no?" "Yes," Liam said calmly. "I will help another time, but not now." It felt strange, but it also felt good. In the next few days, many things changed. Some people became angry. Some acted cold. Some stopped calling. But something beautiful happened too. Liam slept well. He finished his garage project. He repaired the kitchen. His mother smiled more. His mind felt peaceful. And day by day, people started respecting his time. They stopped expecting him to fix everything. They learned to solve their own problems. The world did not break when Liam stopped being available. His world finally started to heal.
One afternoon, Mr. Hall visited Liam's home. He saw the clean garage, the fixed kitchen, and Liam's relaxed smile. "So," Mr. Hall said. "Did the world fall apart when you said no to people?" Liam laughed softly. "No, for the first time, my life feels steady." My friend, are you like Liam? Always helping everyone but forgetting yourself? Remember this. You are not wrong for saying no. You are not selfish for protecting your peace. You are not rude for taking care of yourself first. People respect what you protect. Protect your time. Protect your energy. Protect your heart. When you stop being available for everyone, you finally become available for yourself. If this story touched your heart, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple and powerful stories.